guys, it's me here, Praise kama kawaida. So today I have good vibes for everyone in the house. Oh yeah! So for the returning subscribers, thank you, I love you all, and for those who are joining the Keng, welcome and join the Keng. I've missed you guys. It's been a long, but not so long. So today, as you see, I'm very up. Are you even ready to listen to what I'm going to say today? Today we are going to talk about this thing, and because I need to inspire someone, you better sit down and listen. You better sit down and do what, my friend? Listen. My sister and my brother outside there. If you are desperate of job, if you are desperate of money, here is your target today. Here is your job. Here is your opportunity today. I'm here to give you good vibes about business. Today we are talking about business. By the way, guys, I'll be changing my channel. I'll be talking mostly about how to work online and make money online. Oh yeah! So welcome, sit down and let us relax as I go through what I'm going to teach you today, what I'm going to tell you today. So I just show you how to make money. It's you to decide if you will join or you will not. Many years ago, or I don't know which exact date, there was introduction of Boldcashers. Today we are going to talk about Boldcashers, how they pay a person, how you join it, and everything, and the requirements. So as a Boldcasher is a networking, it's an online marketing, okay, not marketing, it's an online work which you just use your phone or your smartphone, or your laptop. So make your phone and your laptop your office. Stop looking for jobs where you go. Me, I'll tell you a story. One day I worked in a supermarket and I was paid 6,000, and in this 6,000 you are cut off NHF and what do you call this one? When I will tell you the story. Today let's talk about Boldcashers. So these are networking. When you refer someone, you get amount, you will be paid amount of some cash. And this business is not hard, it's not so tough. What you just need to have is your phone, internet only, and 1550 for registration. So these are networking. I'm using a notebook, so that's why I'm looking down here. Don't worry. This is a networking. This networking online work. You work online, just in your comfort zone, in your room, in your house, or if you're in school, in your hostel, and no one disturbs you, and you get your money. Imagine using your mouth getting money. So who even needs to miss that? Who even needs to miss that? Me, I don't want to miss that. So these are networking online work. Just earn by sleeping or resting after you have referred people. So this is the first thing you need to do so that you can join this Boldcasher app. You need to open an account. So when you open an account, you need to activate your account. To activate your account, you need 1550 to activate your account. After activating your account, you get a link. So the link, that is the link you will be using to refer people. And for the first person you refer, you get 650. For the second person you refer again, you get 650. But the third person, you get 1150. Third, fourth, fifth, mpaka infinity, you get 1150 forever. Imagine that, just referring 5 people and you already got money. In fact, inarudisha 1550 yako because you earn forever. You just register one, you just activate your account once, and you earn money forever just using your mouth, talking to people, telling, hey, hi, are you looking for a job? Look no more for a job. There is this work here. And you do that, and you talk to someone, tell that person that this man is gonna change his life, this man is gonna do everything to her or him. So please join me, join Kenke. And after those people you have referred, you get indirect payments kwa hao watu umewarefer. Wakirefer watu wengine, then you get another 450 shillings. So imagine if I referred my sister, then my sister refers another person, I get 450. That is what I mean if you don't get it. So This business is legit. It is not a scam, you guys. I cannot be sitting here wasting my time teaching you something which is a scam. No, never. And if you are ready to work, I leave my link down below the description box so that you can earn through. You can click on the link and it takes you direct to opening an account and activating the account. So that is it. I don't have much to say, but guys, please look into it. Please push on and look for 1550 somewhere and start earning today. I know you got many friends. Can you use your friends to get money? Can you use your family? You don't have to go and sit down calling your father and mother telling them that I've heard this thing, is it real? Even your father doesn't know. Me, I know my father doesn't know, but here I need to introduce him to this online working, because in this generation we are in, everything is online working. In fact, for the few years to come, we'll be just working online. And look at how legit it is. You would have already get many people than that person who is going to start next year. So you better start now. You get an mapema. You start now, you get a lot of money. You start now, you get a lot of referrals. You start now, you get a lot of people who will support you. So earn money every day, but just una refer mtu. Imagine referring 10 people. So you can imagine umerefer watu 10. Hao watu 10 bado watarefer watu wengine. So imagine 450 zenye utapata na 1150 mingi na 650. So this is legit and this is working. I'll leave my link down below. You click on the link, it takes you direct to the account. You open your account, it just requires your name, your email, and everything, and your wallet pin, of which okay, I have not mentioned this. It pays through M-Pesa. This thing, it doesn't even cost you anything. Just open account. 1550. What is 1550? For me, I was seeing it is all money, but you're wasting your time. I wasted my time, but I'm not regretting, because I was not so sure about it. But because I've been sure about it and I've registered, so please join me and register for this thing. It is very legit. It is using M-Pesa. This works only in Kenya and Uganda. Thank you. Please subscribe, and if you need more content about business on online working, I'm here for you. I'm starting today to post videos on online working. Welcome. Bye bye. Subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. This thing, I don't need to get money alone. Stay kuomoka peke yangu, nataka kuomoka na nyinyi wase. So please subscribe and join the gang so that you can get more information about online working. Bye bye.